Welcome to Classes Intro. Create custom data types easily. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without classes, related data and functions are scattered and disconnected. How do we organize complex code? Scattered variables are messy. Functions lack clear structure. Code is hard to reuse. Classes bundle data and methods into reusable, organized units. How is Classes Intro used in the real world? Bank accounts. Model customer accounts with data, e-commerce products. Define items with attributes, student records. Organize student information. Classes Intro powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without Classes Intro? Managing related data with separate variables. Look at how messy the code gets. No logical grouping, hard to pass around, error-prone maintenance. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Classes Intro. Look how clean the code is now. Group data and behavior. Reusable code structure. Organized and maintainable. Compare the difference. And that is why we use Classes Intro. Let's see how to implement Classes Intro in code. Here is the implementation. Define class. Create new car class. Add field. String field for model. Add field. Integer field for year. Define method. Method to display info. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a class in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: a class defines the structure and behavior of objects. Which keyword creates an object? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: the new keyword instantiates a new object. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: Object D's name field is set to Buddy. What's wrong with this class? Which one is correct? The correct answer is: field assignment must be in a method or constructor. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.